So today is, I believe, like March 6th or something like that. Nah, today is March 5th. They've been shutting down the Orange Line from February 28th to like March 8th. From Back Bay to Forest Hills. Here's where they've been boarding the shuttles. They got Yankee bus lines out here. Looks like they got other states helping out too. They got Gunter from Hanover, Maryland. I've heard of those guys. Cool drivers. Met a couple of them years ago. Awesome fellas. Got a whole bunch of like new flyers over here. And then I know they got a couple of Van Hools on these shuttles. I don't know if I'll be able to catch all of them, but we'll see what we can find. See what I'm talking about? Yankee bus lines, 259. All Yankee bus line. New Fly Excelsiors. They got 228 over there. 228. That one's a 2020. What was it? 2023. The 2021 254. That one's, I believe, a 2020. I think that's a 2024 model year. Another one, 256. Gunter. See, outer state buses helping out from Hanover, Maryland. Look at this, that thing nice. That thing huge. They got the Mercedes tourrider back here from Yankee bus line 335. That one's, I believe, a 2024 2025 model year. I know Yankee, they be having their New Jersey crew come up here and help out with the shuttles. The New Jersey and South Boston crews, they be helping out. That's another one, 232 over here. A whole bunch of them. Oh, wow, they got post road stages out here. I've heard of these guys as well. They're from South Windsor, Connecticut, actually. Nice. Got South Windsor, Connecticut out here. Hey, y'all see that? Collins Bus Service, right? If Collins Bus Service, post road stage, the same company, different names. 252. Whole bunch of guys out here. Love these multi-state efforts. Awesome. Orange Line shuttle buses, Mercedes tourrider. This Yankee bus lines over here. We got a whole bunch of other companies. Adventure Tours of Maryland. That's that Van Hool right there. Joseph's Limousine of Medford, Mass. They got everybody out here. That's awesome. Everybody. And then they got Post Road Stages in South Windsor, Connecticut. I know they're here too. You don't see them, so it's a whole bunch of companies helping out. I will never understand why they got this over here, why they got the green light and the walk sign at the same time. That's some straight up BS. That's ridiculous. I will never understand that. Makes no daggone sense right here. At least make it a red light and then have the walk sign, not have the green light and the walk sign. I don't get why a whole bunch of places do stuff like that. So let's go into Forest Hills. You about to make a right turn over here. That's how you make a turn on a bus. That's awesome right there. That's awesome. Another one of the shuttles taking off. That's 253. That thing nice. Not a fan of the seats. The seats suck. But it looks clean though, somewhat. I'll give them that. It's another one, 247 to 261. In the Yankee fleet, they're 2023s and 2024s respectively. See, that's what I'm talking about. Another one of the company's Gunter. That's the Van Hool TX 485 model right here, bus 590. Came from Maryland to help out with the shuttle. That thing nice though. I've been on these before. That thing's as luxurious as it gets. Man, Gunter, Hanover, Maryland in the house. Another company helping out with the shuttle. I've never heard of this company before. That's C London Travel. That's the Mercedes tourrider. They came from Clinton, Maryland. Man, them tourriders are nice though. Shout out to Mercedes. Mercedes-Benz. That thing nice though. Mercedes-Benz. See? Even from the back, it looks nice. Pause. Get your minds out the gutters. 258. Yankee again. Not a fan of these Excelsiors like that at all. But for those who like them, whatever. Here you go. 248. Enjoy it. Enjoy the look. Because I do not like them at freaking all. Yeah, I said it. I don't like these Excelsiors at all. Love the drivers, though. They met some awesome drivers over the years with these guys. Look at this. See London Travel. I would do some more research on it. This thing lit though. Wow, clean looking tourrider. Yes.